Thanks again so much for supporting local. I mean, our restaurants and our retail shops need us so much. And this is such a wonderful time of the year. Such a big kid. If you know me, I love to have fun and I love to, help out where I can too. I think it's really, really important to give back when you can. So let's get started. They're called Cala Naturals, and I came across them through the discovery of when we started this whole Pop TV and Pop Ticker initiative to support local Canada. And man, oh man, does it smell nice in here, because wow, like what they do is natural organic soaps. It's so nice to kind of rediscover some cool products like this that I can actually put on my skin, and it feels really nice. So that's Vanilla Vortex, and it smells so good. So check them out. They're on calanaturals.com, and love your packaging. It's all paper, so it's great for the environment as well. Thank you, BJ Stewart. She's the soap chef. She makes everything by hand, so thank you for that. And next up, we have, and by the way, they're from Maple, Ontario, and that's really, really cool. I mean, I love the fact that there's a town in Canada called Maple. Super cool. And again, because I kind of unboxed it, but nobody heard me, so I had to redo it. So this is the box that came in. It's from Vintage Apparel Company. They're based in Whitby, Ontario. So that's really, really cool. If you haven't been to Whitby, it's actually really nice. And so I got this really cute hat that they threw in, which is so sweet. Thank you, Vintage Apparel. Look at that. I love toques. That's really cute. And again, a lot of you know that I love to dance. If you get me on the dance floor, good luck getting me off, because that won't happen. So I got this custom hoodie, my dance hoodie, and I got one in blue. I love it. And this one is for all the craft beer drinkers or just anyone who loves beer. Check this out. My beer hoodie. Look at that. Isn't that fun? And 5,000 BC, folks. So yeah, humans have been having a pint or two for a good while. So there you go, super soft, and you can get anything written on it, whether it's for yourself or for your friends or fam. Check them out. There's so much local, amazing things to discover. I love to cook. I'm a home chef, and I've been checking this brand out, Beaver Rub by Hoppies, and they have a lot of different flavors. They have spicy, they have their original and a maple-esque one, which is really, really nice. And I've been cooking up with that. Actually, I made pulled pork yesterday. I did half on the barbecue, half in the slow cooker. It turned out really, really good. I've also used it on butter chicken, the Indo in me, and we do some Indian cooking once in a good while. And you can really put it in anything, even grilled veggies or stir fry too. So shout out to Beaver Rub out from Kelowna, BC, way out west. So again, Canada, from coast to coast to coast, keep supporting local, and thank you. I also wanted to close off this sort of Pop TV message by saying thank you to our community here on Support Local Canada. Thank you for following us on Twitter and Instagram. It means so much to me. Again, we're a community driven. I mean, it's me and a few volunteers that run this initiative, all in support to really help out our struggling restaurants and shops throughout this really, really difficult time. So really appreciate the support in terms of growing this movement and bringing the spotlight back to local. And, so hope you'll shop and support. To our restaurants and small businesses, hang in there. We feel for you. We support you. Thank you for all the culture and smiles and customer service and warmth and just community service that you bring to every city. Again, I like to say the heart and soul of every city is all about local and community. So thank you to our businesses out there.